Okay, Rosie. You stink and it's time to get a bathie.
Hey, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Ayo.
Hey.
What?
Holy cow, I've got 3 lions.
It's okay, bud. Come on. It's okay. Come on.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
期待着一个幸运，还有一个冲击，多么奇妙的际遇！翻越过全面山顶，还层层白云，绿光。
Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions. What's up? What's up? Trying to...
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
To the end to find out the difference.
I'm a puppy. Cute, lovable, cuddly. I enjoy when you rub my tummy. I love treats.
Cass?
Yeah.
So this is Simon then?
Yeah, he's there.
Is he your new favourite?
Yeah.
He's pretty, isn't he?
Yep.
He's got a nice horn and blue feet,
Yeah.
and look at his hair as well. So what do you think of him?
Pretty.
What's your favourite game to play with him?
Mush face.
Smush face?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's where I smush his face, Dad.
Well, does that not hurt, Simon?
No.
I'm sure that hurts getting your face smushed.
Watch. Smush. Quirky.
Free bread.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Ice cream? 早上好，中国！现在我要冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
And
How did he know?
Paw. Thanks, Jasper. You're fine. That's right.